Hi, my name is Ethan Crowder from St. Louis, Missouri, back in the U.S. Here I am at beautiful Florestal here in Costa Rica. I've just completed the We the Medicine retreat facilitated by David Price. And what can I say? How can you explain something that can't be put into words? This whole experience has been 100% life-changing in ways that I can't deny. And I'm just so grateful that this fell into my lap. David Price, wonderful human being. He teaches you that the medicine is within you, so you can truly heal yourself from anything. He's got several techniques that we learned over the course of the last week, from neuroscience havening to tapping to mindful breath work. And I consistently found myself using these techniques over and over and over again, with successful results every single time. It really is, it's so easy. It's so easy, it's unbelievable. It's just crazy. I'm still mind blown by the whole thing. The one thing that I'm left with is what else is possible. Thank you.